What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, have you ever wondered about the look you would be if you wear the specific makeup look, for example the glam, and if you felt that way, but if you need the tool to transform your previous picture to have the certain makeup look, don't worry guys, because here I will show you the way to create that photo transformation. Yes guys, in this video I would like to share you how to transform this photo, for example, to become this one. On the left side will be the picture of a beautiful woman, and it seems like she is in the bare face or with a subtle makeup. And after using the spatial prompt, this picture can be transformed into this one. As you can see on the right side, with the same woman has the different look. She is wearing the glam makeup look. How to do that? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I use here was the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to create this picture from your another AI image generator, don't worry guys, you can go with it and do the experiment with it. And here I will also share you the prompt to create this photo transformation guys. And this is the look of the Google AI Studio, and don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that you can continue to click this try Nano Banana, and after that I will put the prompt into this section, and you can also give it the screenshot, or you can also copy this prompt from the description box that I will put it down below. And after that I will also continue to upload the picture as the reference like this. And after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result, or the output in this section. Well guys, this is actually the same prompt that I used before to create this photo transformation guys. However, I will be honest with you that with the same prompt you can actually have the different result or different output. And if you not really satisfied about the look, don't worry guys, because you can continue to click rerun this turn in this section or in this section guys. And this is the previous look that I used before. This is the look from the distance, and this is the close-up. For example, I will click the rerun in this section and kindly wait for the another result guys. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this prompt into your version, and you can also let us know on the comment section if this prompt also worked for you guys. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.